Weekend, tumawag sa akin nanay ko, tutulog pa ako. Sabi niya, umiyak na siya, sabi niya, Miggy, ano tong sinasabi ni Dr. Ganito? May Shelly ka daw. Sabi ko, fuck. Yung antok ko nawala. Parang gumagano ako, tapos biglang, shucks, nasasabihin ko. Sabi ko, okay, let's talk when you guys get home. There are so many layers towards internalized homophobia, towards internalized stigma. Thank you. Na every time you have to say this, every time you have to tell your story, there's always a risk involved. Yung boyfriend ko of 6 years, yung kanina, yung sabi ko very instrumental sa pinaka-coming out ko noong 2018, he found out because I got into an accident. Nabagok yung ilong ko. Kasi nagmamadali ako, tanga-tanga rin kasi. Nagmamadali ako, naglalakad. Hindi ko nakita may malaking dos pala dun sa nakaharang. So dire-diretso ako dun. Tapos pagdating ko sa kanya, tapos nung nakita niya ako, parang sabi ko, anong nangyayari? Hindi ko pa alam nagdudugo ilong ko. Sabi niya, nagdudugo ilong mo! Punta tayo sa ospital! So punta kami ospital. Punta kami ER. And sabi sa akin nung tinitreat na ako nung residente, syempre I had to disclose. Yung residente, medyo taklesa, medyo walang preno yung bibig. Sabi niya, sir, may HIV ka daw? Yung boyfriend ko nandun. Tapos nakaganon siya sa akin. Sabi ko, yeah. Pag alis ng residente, sabi ko, yeah, I do. Wala pa kaming isang buwan nun. Sabi ko, I was going to tell you soon. But I've been undetectable for years. I'd understand if you're gonna leave me now. Sabi niya, no. Tatay wouldn't want that. Yung tatay niya. Nakakapanaw lang nun. Tatay wouldn't want that. Ganun siya. Pero, it has always been an insecurity of mine. My biggest insecurity, in fact, is that I am PLHIV. That has always been my biggest insecurity. Kasi after nun, and maybe it's not his fault, rin. Maybe I had a hand in it. Kasi yung insecurity na yun nag-translate sa relationship namin. Na pag tuwing magsisex, kasi syempre, mag-jowa, magsisex kayo, di ba? So, tuwing magsisex kami, parang iniisip ko, natatakot ba siya sa akin? Ganon. Or, gusto pa ba niya? Or, nata-turn on pa ba siya sa akin? Paano yun? Ganon. We broke up after 6 years. It was his fault naman. The next boyfriend I had, sinabi ko na sa kanya agad. Nag-date pa lang kami. Kinilatis ko na eh. Yun siguro yung isa sa mga naging value at isa sa mga naging advantages ng pagiging PLHIV. Kasi natututo kang kumilatis ng tao. Kasi hindi mo naman kailangan sabihin sa lahat eh. Ang sabi sa batas, you are encouraged to disclose. But only if the environment enables it. Which means that if you feel that you are in a safe space, if you feel that the person you're talking to is a safe space, then it's okay. In yung time na yun, I felt that he was. Kasi mabait siya. Sobrang bait niya. So when I told him, sabi niya, thanks for telling me. I want you to, sabi ko, ang susunod na tanong ko, okay, so do you still want to date? Sabi niya, yeah, why not? And we lasted for 1.5 years. It was my fault that we broke up. Because, again, I still was coming to terms with the fact that I still had this huge insecurity with my status, with my diagnosis.